So I'm at it again. So I took a little bit of brown sugar, cinnamon, ground cinnamon, two macaroons, and some ricotta cheese, and some butter, and mixed it all, melted butter, and mixed them all in together. Right? I wanted to make, sorry, I'm not used to doing this. Some stone fruit for dessert, but I wanted something that was going to be tasty. And I don't know anything about, I ain't gonna say I don't know anything about. I've only done this a few times, but I've never used, I usually use mascarpone cheese, but I wanted something sweet and savory. I'm not going to change the 350 on the toaster oven. I'm going to leave it like that. I'll move that over a little bit more. And I'm going to put it in for about 20 minutes. That's all I need. 20 minutes. I'm going to wash up these dishes here. But I literally only used a pinch of cinnamon. Brown sugar. I literally only use a pinch of brown sugar. Because it's the brown sugar is already like super sweet. The stone fruit is gonna, while it's in the toaster oven, it's gonna caramelize. And it's gonna bring out its own natural sugar. So I didn't want to add extra sugar to it. Just a little bit of brown sugar mixed with the butter, and mixed with some butter and some you could either do mascarpone cheese, or you could either do mascarpone cheese, or you can do ricotta cheese, or you could do sour cream, whatever makes you comfortable, but with a little bit of butter. And you want butter because you want the fat from it. You want it to, if you're using ricotta cheese, you want the fat. And I'm telling you, you want the fat. So that's going to cook up for a little while. And when it's finished cooking, I'm going to give you a looky-loo. As you can see, I used aluminum foil as a tray. I have a tray there, but I took 2 pieces of aluminum foil and put those together and made a little tray on top of the tray. And that's going to cook for a little while. And while it's slowly cooking and heating up from the bottom and getting toasty on the top, that's going to pull the natural sugars out of those little mini Italian plums. The ricotta cheese is going to give it the savory taste. The cinnamon and the brown sugar is going to give it the cinnamon is going to give it a little woodsy taste, and the brown sugar is going to give it a little bit of natural sweet as well. The butter gives it the fat to go with the cheese, because I wanted that. That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted to try. And the macaroons, so when it toasts, it'll toast up with some toastiness of the macaroons in it. Now, I was tasting it in my head. I wasn't sure exactly how it actually tastes, but I think it's going to taste absolutely delicious. I wish I had some honey so I can finish it off with some honey, but I don't. Or some vanilla ice cream, but I don't. Tomorrow I'm going to try this with bananas and see how well that work out. So, that's it. Let's see how, look how it's browning up. See that? It's perfect because I can go in and, oh no, my cheese fell off of one of them. Hold on, I gotta go rescue a cheese. I gotta rescue my cheese that fell off of one of them. Oh no, I'm being too rough with it, guys. Oh no. I'm being too rough. Oh no. Yeah. This is when you're too rough with it. Because remember, the mascarpone cheese is exactly what it is. I mean, ricotta cheese is exactly what it is. It's cheese. The macaroons is bread, but it's already condensed. It's dense and it's soft. The butter is liquefied. The only thing that's solid is the plums. So I'm trying to treat them with a bit of care. I just wanted to show that they were toasting up, but when I put them in there the second time, went back in the second time, slid them in the first time. I'm sorry. I was a little too rough, but they're gonna get brown and toasty. They're gonna be absolutely yummy. So I'll let you know how that goes in a second. And again, this is the lasagna that I made. I didn't buy it. That's an old sticker. This is what I made in the toaster oven. I even cut a piece out. I'm gonna show you so you can see what it looks like. I made that. I put some spinach. I put sausage, turkey, ground beef. The only thing I didn't have was ground chicken. I put spinach. I put tomatoes, onions, garlic, ricotta cheese, all of that. So, and this is my table that I use to put all my crap. As you can see, Dollar Tree, best move. But this is just what I have for now. That's all my crap. So as you can see, I don't buy napkins. No reason to. When you eat out a lot, you just make sure that you grab extra napkins always. Always grab extra napkins. And when I go downstairs, they got these little teeny tiny cups for coffee. I use them to transport my sugar and my creamer because the cups is only but so big, literally. I use them to literally. This is the whole cup. I use it to transport sugar and creamer back to the room. I keep a separate garbage because that goes out at the end of the night. Stays in the room for one day. Goes out at the end of the night. I even recycle. But these are gonna come out lovely. Yeah, those are gonna be absolutely delicious. So I'm gonna let them finish cooking and then I'll let you know what it tastes like. That's it.